whatever time you're watching this vlog for you. It is 8 in the morning right now, and my husband is off to work. We are done with breakfast, so now I'm going to start my day. So I just wanted to vlog through the week. So hopefully this week is going to have few interesting things, so I will vlog through them, and you guys will enjoy it, because I don't know about you, but I honestly really like the vlogs, especially the ones that are crisp. Okay, so it is the next day और मैंने कल कुछ भी और पसंद नहीं किया बिकॉज इट वॉज अ रेगुलर बोरिंग काइंड ऑफ अ डे. घर के वही काम वही रूटीन. पर अभी मुझे पार्सल रिसीव हुआ मेरा iHERB का. मैंने कुछ नेसेसरी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की थी पाकिस्तान से आने के बाद, क्योंकि घर में जो बेसिक नेसेसिटी की चीज़ें थी वो ख़त्म हो गई थी. तो आई ऑर्डर फ्यू थिंग्स फॉर मी, फॉर माई बेबी, फॉर माई हस्बैंड, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो वो पार्सल मुझे अभी अभी मिला, सो आई थॉट कि व्हाई नॉट मैं इसका एक छोटा सा हॉल सॉर्ट ऑफ अनबॉक्सिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ करूँ. तो आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट राइट नाउ. एंड एक्चुअली मैंने ओमान में iHERB कैसे काम करता है, शिपिंग, टैक्सेस, एवरीथिंग के ऊपर डिटेल वीडियो बेसिकली बनाई थी. So if you have further information, I'm going to link that video down below for you and above in the iCards. You know how it works. Anyway, so the exciting things and कमर्शलिज्म ने ऐसा किया है कि अब इतनी एक्साइटमेंट होती है इन चीज़ों को देख के. So the first thing that I ordered basically was the Palmer's का ये वाला lotion. I've never used this lotion, but it was a really good deal on this lotion, so I bought it. It's fragrance free, and as you guys know, if you are not new to my channel, I prefer things to be fragrance free. The next thing is the Dove baby lotion, and again this one is fragrance free for the babies. And the next is a sunscreen. So I've never tried this sunscreen basically, and I saw a lot of people making a review video on this, and a lot of the dermatologists were also talking about this online. So I was like really intrigued. It's at a really good price also na. So I was like यार try करके देखना चाहिए, मतलब if it's not giving white cast and if it's a good price and it's a good sunscreen, then why not just try it. So I was out of sunscreen, I ordered this one. Let's see how it will work. Now the next product is, you have probably seen this in a makeup sort of a video or any video, and that is the e.l.f. putty primer. This is a poreless putty, the pink one. I love this. I absolutely love this primer. I'm ordering this again, which means I really like it. This one, okay. So next thing that I ordered is the Wet n Wild ki lip color. So this is the Give Me Mocha, and yeah, absolutely wonderful on my skin tone. Love this. I was out of it, got a new one. So the next thing that I ordered is the Dove exfoliating bath body polish, and it's in the crushed macadamia and rice milk. Okay. Oh my god, like you can see, it smells like ice cream, like a very good quality ice cream. And the next thing that I bought is Aquaphor का ointment. Now this one is for my husband specifically, क्योंकि घर में हमारे पाकिस्तान में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही थी, तो हाथ पैर बहुत रफ हो गए थे और बहुत कट रहे हैं. तो वो सीमेंट और how roughness happens. So I have heard great things about Aquaphor का ointment. So this is the Aquaphor advanced therapy for dry, cracked, irritated skin kind of. So I want to try this on him specifically. And the next thing that I bought is a very not required thing, and that is this one. I think faltu ka item because I've used this. I had this one. If you have seen my iHERB haul again, पहले वाला तो मैंने एक Revlon का मेरे पास था. Okay, so that's all for the haul. I was actually editing a video that I was supposed to upload in the afternoon, पर अभी शाम हो गई है, मगरिब हो गई है, और वीडियो मेरी ऑलमोस्ट एडिट हो गई है, पर अभी काफ़ी सारा काम है तो वो कंप्लीट करके अपलोड भी करनी है. ओके, सो दैट इज द स्टेडियम ना, जहाँ पे द मैचेस हैपन, क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है ना, द क्रिकेट स्टेडियम, द इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम बेसिकली. इट हैज टर्न्ड इनटू इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट. द रीसेंट मैचेस हैपन देयर ना, ऑल द प्रैक्टिस मैचेस एंड एवरीथिंग. या द Hi. Okay, so right now we are going to nursery क्योंकि मुझे एलोवेरा का पौधा लेना था. For some reason I might tell you later, पर अभी हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे नर्सरी, और hopefully we'll find the plant. So let's go. ये वाला सही है, सही है, सही भाई। बस ये निकाल दो। हाँ नहीं, अरे ये किसी चीज़ का दरख्त है। किस चीज़ का दरख्त है भाई? ये बेर लगे हुए भी है इसके अंदर फल। बिल्ली का बच्चा। Okay, so that went surprisingly well. I bought 2 plants, one aloe vera and the other one was pothos money plant, जिसको हम कहते हैं। और मतलब it was not overpriced. It was a really nice nursery, really big. There were fishes, there were birds, there were a lot of plants, trees, fruiting trees, and you know, gardens and botanical gardens and insect reserves and things like that. It was a really fancy nursery, I must say. और yes, it was really nice to be there. मतलब थोड़े से टाइम में हमें जो चीज़ें चाहिए थी वो मिल गई. It was a really nice trip, and now we are heading home. Okay, so these are the plants that I bought yesterday, और I figured कि मैंने दिखाए नहीं आपको. तो ये एलोवेरा वेरा का पौधा है, and it's a big plant, and this one also has a baby growing, so I might take it off from the mother and you know make 2 separate plants out of it. और ये वाला मैंने मनी प्लांट ख़रीदा है. It's not in the best shape, but yeah, it's what it is. And the other one is this one. So this is the leftover piece from the money plant that I had originally. और obviously क्योंकि इसकी वो वाली care नहीं हुई तो it's not doing great. But anyway, so this is a new plant and this one is a new plant, and I've got all these bottles and stuff around the house, like the sippy cups of my kid. So I'm going to use them as like plant holders, going to do DIY. And also this water dispenser is now useless because we have bought an electrical one. तो अब इसका जो है वो हम stand बनाएंगे. तो hopefully इसको हटा के कुछ DIY करेंगे. अभी नहीं तो कुछ अरसे में I will probably spray paint all of them to make them all look alike. And yes, that's what it looks like. ओके सो नाउ वी आर एट एवेन्यूज़ मॉल. हम पार्किंग में हैं और हम जाएंगे मॉल क्योंकि कुछ सामान लेना था. तो यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा लूडो है एवेन्यूज़ मॉल में, तो वहाँ से कुछ सामान लेंगे, थोड़ा सा मॉल एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू गाइस अलोंग विद मी. जल्दी रैप अप करेंगे यू नो बिकॉज वी हैव अदर थिंग्स टू डू. माय हस्बैंड हैज अदर थिंग्स टू डू टुडे. तो है।